الرحمن علم القرآن خلق الإنسان علمه البيان.
على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. كنتم خير أمة أخرجت للناس تأمرون بالمعروف وتنهون عن المنكر وتؤمنون بالله. صدق الله العظيم. وقال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم بلغوا عني ولو آية أو كما قال عليه السلام. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Today is my topic, Dawat Tabligh, a story full of sacrifices. Every big vision and every big opportunity is again by sacrifices. Sacrifices are don't come to take a life or to end the responsibility, but contrary sacrifices are the feelers to stand firm. Mr. President, same priority found in the history of Dawat Tabligh, the travel of sacrifices, which started by effort and struggle of molana and struggle of Molana Ilyas and Molana Ganguhi and more ulama karam today shining all over in the world. The question is that, Mr. President, the work which started from the small town Mewat, from the small block of masjid, how can cover that large amount of land for the deen? How can it spread all over in the universe? But if someone focus on it, he will understand that in the beginning of Islam, when our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was preaching Islam in streets of Mecca and in the streets of Taif among Quraysh and Mushrikeen, how the people were behaving with our holy Prophet. They were behaving, abusing him, called him magician and mad, but what the after some years, Islam appeared like a shining sun from Arab and spread all over the world just because of tolerance and sacrifices. Mr. President, some vision and some spirit which was found in Dawat Tabligh because of sacrifices. Today the work of Dawat Tabligh is found all over in the world. We may take it easy, dear listener. Just like for that, we talk for something, and when the time comes to it become difficult. Just like for that, those people who left their life or who left their homes, families, life here, subject, entertainments, friends, and everything, and just for tabligh and for to preach and 40 days and 4 months and complete year, and who left their life for this work. Is this an easy thing? Is this an easy work? No, Mr. President, these are sacrifices. So it will not be wrong to say that Dawat Tabligh, a story full of sacrifices. If we look at Quran, that also indicates towards dawah. وَلْتَكُمْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٍ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ. Our Prophet Muhammad said and explained the value of this work. So, Mr. President, with history has one chapter which has attributed with tabligh after sacrifices and responsibilities, which spread the deen in unique way all over in the universe. If today we can see Islam is spreading in European countries and African countries, we can see Islam spreading in India and even in cricket team of Pakistan. This is because of dawah and tabligh. So this is the holy struggle. Dear listener, we have to feel honored to have, and also we should respect it and also be ready for sacrifice for it. Otherwise, we will never be able to forgive ourselves. Thanks you for listening.